Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix your problem on your printer, HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series. In this case, it's a 9012E printer. And if you have some problems with jam paper in it, you can have, I think, 3 or 4 areas where you have to look and where you have to remove maybe jam paper. The first step is we are looking if we have some problems with the upper part. The upper part is the scanner section where the paper can jam, okay? And then on the bottom and inside. So let's start up. If you have a problem over here, papers are here, are moved down and go to the scanner area. You see sometimes here is a little bit jam paper. Oh, like here, that's not so good. Okay, how we can perform this? We open that maintenance cover, and here we can see that's jammed paper over there. If there is no case of solution, if you're pulling over there, here it comes. You lift up this possible liftable area, and then you can remove your paper out of it. Really cool. That is. Close the lid again. Fixed. The problem with the scan function is fixed, but there should be more. It can be more problems with jam paper on the bottom side, because here you have the paper canister. And beyond this, there is a tube which travel the paper up to the printer head. Okay, let's perform this now. To get inside the printer, of course, first we shut down the system, and then we push here and there to remove this upper cover unit here a little bit. Oh yeah, we are. Let's remove it now. Okay, next step is we go and pull out this system, lift it up, and get it out of it. So now we can have a look on the inside. Here we are. That's the inside of the device, and you can see some paper is jammed over there, because here we have a tube entrance system, and if you have failure here, lift it up and get out the paper. Here we are. Good job. You can see this rolling tube over there makes a little bit problems sometimes, not so often, but it happens. So after this, we can reassemble everything what we removed before. Here we are. Get this back in position. Sack. Get this back in position, lift it forward, inside, job done. Good job. But maybe there's more problem. Next step is we open this maintenance area, and then we have a log over here. What we see is now the inside of the printer. Here you can see this is the printer head. The printer head in shutdown mode should rest on the right side. So we have place beyond this cable here. We can see some failure paper, jam paper inside, and this we can remove by going inside and pull it out. Oh, here we are. Good job, man, women, and so on. If you have the failure that the printer head is jammed on paper, it is good to switch on the device, and this printer unit will come over here. While the device is on, you can make a solution by hold the paper in position with one finger over here and push the printer head to the right direction, and then the paper most of the time will go and comes out. So these are the main spots, I think, where the paper can jam in your HP OfficeJet Pro printer 9010 series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.